Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got ourselves a pretty big package. Dad, what do you think about this package? Are you excited? He's very excited. Let's see what's inside. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got this package from overboost.com. I bought a couple of my CLS55 external parts from them. But this package basically contains our rear diffuser, front lip, and side skirts, the extensions. So I'm honestly excited. This is going to give the car a much more aggressive look. That's also why we got a non-AMG rear bumper, because we did plan on putting a rear diffuser on here. Granted, now that I'm looking at it, I don't know how we're going to do that, but regardless, we're going to make it work, because that's what we do. So let's get to opening. I'm going to assume that I can put this up right here. And now we're just... Actually, no, I did not. Now I did. Awesome. I'm seeing something I'm very, very happy to see. Our little side skirt extensions. Both of them. Nice. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Holy crap. Oh no, it's our lip and our diffuser in one. Our lip is huge. This is awesome. Alright, let's get this out of the way and unwrap these. But yeah, so we got Duraflex pieces. Carbon fiber is too expensive. Carbon fiber gets damaged very, very easily, especially a front lip. Like, a lot of people crack their front lips. For the SL, I got carbon fiber and I cracked it literally like 3 months after I got it. It's better to just get black, and then if you crack it, you can just Bondo it and then paint over it or wrap it, whatever. You don't even need to wrap it, you just paint it. Here is our piece. If it was carbon fiber, it would have cracked. Here is our front lip. Yeah, this just needs a light scuff. Perfect. Golden. Same as the previous two. They just need a nice little scuff and then they're ready to be painted. Let's get to painting.
Alright, let's take the chrome off. Alright. So, see these clips? It's going that way.
So make sure you pour your boiling water in your pot. Now those guys are gonna heat up. Primer is nice and warm and ready to be worked on. I'm gonna start spraying that. Also, for those of you that don't know about this, you can technically put this on here and then make it like a handle. This is not gonna work for that, but it would work with the VHT stuff, so we'll do that for that. So much stuff here. All right, so while Dad is painting that black, everything else has been painted in a glossy black. Now we're gonna do the clear coat. It's a semi-gloss clear coat, but it should be able to cover everything. All right, so today's been pretty much successful. We managed to finish everything on our checklist: the brake, supercharger, valves, surge tanks, everything else we got done. Everything came out great.
Stop.
just tell them what you did.
Yeah, I installed the valve covers so far.
What do you think
Cleaned
about
up.
the color?
The color looks good. Once we put the surge tanks on, see how it looks. So now I'm gonna install the surge tanks, but before that I need to put the coils back together. Make sure it's running. Oh yeah, we need to bleed the brakes, remove the old brake fluid, put new one in, bleed all four. Yeah, we need to do the motor mounts and the ball joint. So this is for the surge tanks, the gaskets, the cap. These are the two ball joints.
The ball joints. How long is the job for the ball joints?
Couple hours at least. It depends how.
Ooh, transmission mounts.
Transmission mount. And these are the engine mounts.
Motor mount. These are the same ones we used for my car, yeah? Ooh, nice. So just the driver's side motor mount is collapsed.
Yeah, but we changed both of them just in case.
Okay.
Because of the heat, it needs to be changed. The car has a lot of miles. And once that one is done, then we'll take it on the road.
So Dad just installed the oil cap, right? And now we're doing coils. How do the coils look like?
Look good. They don't have any problem.
Their wires aren't
Internally, you
framed.
cannot see.
Did you install the spark plugs?
I did. I torqued them.
Good. And the supercharger?
We'll see. Alright, well, let's do the other side. Installing the coils. The spark plugs are already in and torqued. Alright, so let's see how it works. Perfect. Search things. Don't forget anything. Sweet.
So Dad and I just finished, actually Dad primarily just finished putting all of the engine parts back together. He's about to do a brake flush right there, but he did all of that. He put on the brakes, and now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on all of the little cosmetic stuff, such as the 3-point star right here, badges, and all the other small little stuff.
Now it's good, no?
Yeah, I would put that on like that. All right, so some of the other customized stuff aside from the Afghan license plate is this black star specifically made for the CLS. So as you can see, the part number, it's a genuine Mercedes part, A219. That's the W219, anything related to that. Nice and in. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the color combination in the comments below. I am curious also what you guys think about having the foreign plate in the back. I do love the fact that we can represent Afghanistan. It gives Dad that whole entire homey sort of feel. I'm excited to show you guys the final result, so I'll see you guys in the next one.